fantastic event for us to be able to share ideas, best practices, and bring people together in the industry to help grow the industry and make everybody a better instructor. Whether you haven't started instructing, HPDE instructing yet, or you've been doing it for 30 years, or anywhere in between, classroom, in-car, whatever, or maybe even you're an event organizer. This event the summit is going to give you some of the best practices. So to get more information about the Instructor Summit, you can either go to instructorsummit.com or Facebook. We've got a number of different groups that are HPDE instructor groups, classroom instructors. Find it on Facebook, or just go to motorsportreg.com and sign up right now. Get a spot before they all go away.